Yes, friends, it's 6 o'clock and let's start. Yes, Moin Khan, good evening. Hazel, good evening. 6 o'clock and let's start. Okay, 50% of you are there, 50% not yet joined, they'll join. Let's start. First formula, A is equal to A is accumulated amount, means future value. C upon I, square bracket open, round bracket open, 1 plus I, bracket as to N, minus 1, where I is equal to R upon 100. Yes, Dhruv, good evening. The next is P, present value formula. P is equal to C upon I, square bracket, 1 minus, bracket open, 1 plus I raised to minus N. In case of A, accumulated value, that is future value. A is nothing else, but this is future value. In case of future value, raised to is N, positive value. Yes, Mehul, good evening. And in case of present value, it is minus N. Okay. So that is A and P formula. There is one more. 1 upon P minus 1 upon A. 1 upon P minus 1 upon A is equal to I upon C. It's not 1 upon C, it is I upon C. 1 upon P minus 1 upon A is equal to I upon C. These are the formulas. Next you have, now this is annuity, immediate annuity. What do you mean by any immediate annuity? Annuity is paid at the beginning or annuity is paid at the end? Immediate annuity means paid at end. Immediate is end. Paid or received at end. Basically paid or received word नहीं याद रखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. At end. Immediate means at end. Very good. At end. And if it is at the beginning, then if it is at the beginning, then क्या बोलते हैं उसका annuity? Which annuity? Annuity due. Annuity due. In annuity due, see here, we don't say A dash is there. D for dash, D for due. A dash is equal to, in case of immediate annuity, it is A is equal to. In annuity due, it is A dash. A dash is equal to C, in bracket, same formula unka. C in bracket 1 plus I. Wherever C, I'll say, don't remember this formula. Remember this thing. In this formula, immediate annuity, wherever there is C, replace C by C को किससे replace करना है? C in bracket 1 plus I. Wherever there is C, replace it by C in bracket 1 plus I. Now look at here. Here it is C. Replace this C by, तो C तो रखना ही है bracket में, 1 plus I करना है. Same here and same here. All the three places you make change and that becomes annuity due formula. तो समझ में आ रहा है क्या बात कर रहा हूं मैं? In immediate annuity, wherever it is C, in case of annuity due, instead of C, write C in bracket 1 plus I. So look at this formula. C is equal, A dash is equal to C in bracket 1 plus I upon I. In bracket, it's the same. 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. P dash, D for dash, D for due. P dash is equal to C in bracket 1 plus I upon I. In bracket 1 minus 1 plus I, bracket is to minus N. Then P dash and A dash. 1 upon P dash minus 1 upon A dash is equal to I upon C in bracket 1 plus I. Okay, चलो कितने सम्स हो गए? 3 सम्स हो गए. फोर्थ सम से चालू करना है. Correct? How to start from the fourth sum? Correct? करे चलो. इजी है. फॉर्मूला डालो, फॉर्मूला में वैल्यू डालो, खत्म कर दो. क्वेश्चन 4, फाइंड एक्यूमुलेटेड वैल्यू. क्वेश्चन बराबर देखो, फाइंड एक्यूमुलेटेड वैल्यू मींस क्या ढूंढना है? P और A. accumulated value. A, present value is P. A ढूंढना है, A, also known as future value. After 1 year of an annuity immediate, कौन सा annuity है? Annuity immediate. In annuity immediate, do you have A or A dash? Annuity immediate में क्या होता है? A dash. A dash किधर? Due में A dash. This is annuity immediate, in which rupees 10,000 are invested every quarter. लास्ट लेक्चर में याद होगा, लास्ट सम में सेमी एनुअल था, इसमें क्वार्टर है, क्वार्टर at 16% per annum compounded quarterly. Yes, so yes, correct, quarter 3 months, but that we do. Okay, how many quarters are there? क्या करेंगे हम लोग R को? Do you remember that? In case of semi-annual, चलो वो पॉइंट डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. इन केस ऑफ सेमी एनुअल, आर को क्या किया जाता है? डिवाइड किया जाता है. आर को डिवाइड किया जाता है या आर को मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है? आर इज ऑलवेज डिवाइडेड. आर इज डिवाइडेड एंड एन इज, आर इज ऑलवेज डिवाइडेड. R is always divided and N is always multiplied. Okay, now semi-annual है तो R will be divided by what? R divided by semi-annual. semi-annual मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूं? सेमी एनुअल पूछ रहा हूं, रिवाइज कर रहा हूं मैं. सेमी एनुअल मीन्स व्हाट? ट्वाइस अ ईयर. तो डिवाइड बाय 2. आर विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एंड एट द सेम टाइम एन विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय, जब आर को है 2 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करेंगे तो एन को मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2. जिससे डिवाइड किया उसी से उधर मल्टीप्लाई करना है. इफ इट इज सेड क्वार्टरली, R will be divided by what? R will be divided by 4. 4 quarter makes 1 year. So divide by 4. And N will be multiplied by 4. Agreed? Everyone agrees? And then monthly रहेगा तो monthly chances कम है monthly आने का, but monthly बोला तो R will be divided by 12 and N will be multiplied by 12. Okay, और सर ईयरली रहेगा तो कुछ नहीं करना है. इन ईयरली R will be divided by 1, but dividing by 1 is meaningless. Yes, dividing by 1 is meaningless, तो हम लोग नहीं करते हो. Okay, if it is yearly, that is annually, तो actually क्या करना चाहिए? R will be divided by 1, but dividing by 1 is meaningless. So we say dividing by 1 is meaningless. Agreed? किसी को भी 1 से डिवाइड करना meaningless होता है. It remains the same. 10 divided by 1, 10. 12 divided by 1, 12. So dividing by 1 is meaningless. And here n has to be multiplied by 1, but multiplied by 1 is meaningless. So R divided by 1 becomes R and n multiplied by 1 is n, because multiplying by 1 is meaningless. समझा क्या दोस्तों? समझा क्या? सेमी एनुअल में 2, सेमी एनुअल में 2. सेमेस्टर एग्जाम होती है, मतलब साल में 2 बार होगी. ओके, क्वार्टरली 4, मंथली 12. आर इज ऑलवेज डिवाइडेड. आर को कभी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे क्या? आर को कभी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे क्या? कभी नहीं. R is always, क्या लिखा मैंने उधर वर्ड? ऑलवेज, 100%. क्या होगा? डिवाइड होगा. एंड N ऑलवेज मल्टीप्लाइड. क्लियर? वेरी क्लियर, वेरी क्लियर. चलो अब इधर लिखते हैं अपन आंसर, क्या क्या गिवन है लिखते हैं पहले।
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट। प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी एमबीए एंट्रेंस, SYJC कॉम, TYB कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ। चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट। कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें। और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान। इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक। तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी।
given, okay, 10,000. What is 10,000? 10,000 is what? In the question they have said 10,000. 10,000 is what? An annuity immediate in which 10,000 are invested every quarter. So it is C. C is equal to 10,000. What is rate of interest? R is equal to 16% per annum. But क्या लिखो आगे? But quarterly therefore quarterly therefore क्या करेंगे? C stands for annuity. C stands for annuity. C क्यों लिया है? I was taken for interest. Harsh, C for annuity. Contribution. C is taken from the word contribution. You will be contributing your contribution. So C लिया है उन लोग ने. Annuity तो A लेना चाहिए था. A is taken for future value. इसलिए A भी नहीं ले लिया. Okay. Now here 16%, but quarterly. Therefore क्या करेंगे? Karan gave me the answer. Yes. What about others? बाकी जन बोलो क्या करेंगे आप लोग? Divide by 4 quarterly. Therefore 16% divided by 4. So कितना हो जाएगा? 16 divided by 4. How much? 4%. Therefore हमको R नहीं चाहिए, हमको I चाहिए. I is equal to 4% means how much? I in point form. 4% means 4 upon 100. 4 upon 100 is how much? 0.04. Agreed? Everyone? 4 upon 100. Agreed? 4 upon 100 is how much? 0.0. If you want, you write first 4 upon 100 and then is equal to 0.04. चलेगा. We want in point form. Point form में लिखने का. And n is equal to कितना है? N is equal to, n is number of years. N कितना है? 1. But what? Quarterly. But quarterly. Therefore n is equal to 1 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 4. Yes. 10,000 is invested quarterly. Correct. So that is C. Now formula क्या ढूंढना है? Harsh, any doubt? 10,000 invested quarterly for 1 year. 4 बार किया है. 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 every quarter. 4 times in a year. Okay. चलो What we have to find out? A. So what is that formula? A is equal to accumulated value is A, that is future value. A's future value is equal to C upon I square bracket. दूसरा दोस्तों आपको शॉर्टकट भी बोला ना, इधर गिवन में क्या दिया है? गिवन 1.04 raised to 4. Raised to is positive. Whenever raised to is given, raised to is positive, that means क्या ढूंढना है आपको? A और A dash दोनों में से कुछ भी हो सकता है. पॉजिटिव में A और A dash. Okay, it is annuity immediate and therefore A. क्या आएगा? Square bracket open, round bracket open, 1 plus I bracket raised to n minus 1. This is the formula. Formula by heart करो. In fact, write formula 4-5 times without looking. By heart हो जाएगा formula. So that is equal to C 10,000. C is 10,000 upon 0.04 square bracket round bracket open 1 I. What is I? 0.04 bracket is 10. What is I of 10? 4 minus 1. So that is equal to 10,000 0, 0, 4 in square bracket in round bracket 1.0. Okay. Hello. Now the voice will be clear. Screen sharing is also stopped. Starting screen sharing. Yes, screen sharing starting. Just give me a minute. Starting screen sharing. Just give me a minute. Voice is clear, but screen sharing has stopped. Let me start screen sharing. I'm starting screen sharing. Give me a minute. Yeah, it is starting. Screen sharing is starting. Audio, video, both clear now. Yes. So let's go further. That is equal to 10,000 divided by 10,000 divided by 0.04 square bracket open 1.04 raised to 4 given in the question. How much it is? 1.1699 minus 1. Subtracting 1 is very easy. So that is equal to 10,000 divided by 0.04 multiplied by 0.1699. Correct? Now next point, remove that decimal point. There are 2 digits after the decimal point. So in that 10,000 add 2 more zeros. In 10,000 add 2 more zeros. So that is equal to 10,000 was there. Add 2 zeros in that divided by 4. Agreed? Multiplied by 0.1699. Dividing by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 fives are 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is equal to 25 multiplied by decimal point आगे लेके गया मैं 1699. Clear? Clear this? 25. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros. 25 and 4 zeros. But this decimal point, I'm shifting 4 places ahead. Decimal point को मैं क्या कर रहा हूं? 4 places आगे लेके जा रहा हूं. तो 4 zeros भी गया. Everyone agreed? समझता है क्या? Now that is equal to simple mathematics. That is equal to, let us do this multiplication. 1699 multiplied by 25. 25 nines are 225. So 5 carry 22. 25 nines are 225. 225 plus 22. 5 to 7. 224. 247. So 7 here. This is 6. 25 6 are 25 4s are 100. 26 24 6 are 150. 150 and 24 174. So 17. 25 ones are 25. 25 plus 17. 25 plus 17 42. Am I correct in the calculation? Yes, you are also saying the same. 42,475. This is my rough work. Got the answer? Write down what they were